Death is a natural consequence of life. While it marks an end to one adventure, it launches the exciting start of another. A few minutes after dying, something changes within the human body. Enzymes that break down food for energy during life adopt a new purpose. They start targeting the body's cells. The process is called autolysis and is the start of decomposition. Autolysis usually begins in the liver and brain, but will eventually digest all internal organs. It also breaks open capillaries, releasing blood cells that turn the skin a pale purple. While all of this is starting, the body is quickly exhausting its oxygen reserves. After 2 hours, muscles which require oxygen to function stiffen into place. This is the onset of rigor mortis. Rigor mortis usually starts in smaller muscles that control the eyelids, jaw, and neck. Eventually, it will spread to the entire body, 12 to 20 hours after death. At this point, enzymes have dissolved the gastrointestinal tract and released a parade of gut bacteria. These bacteria are hungry and begin feeding on what's left of the tissues and organs. As they go to town, they produce gases like methane, hydrogen sulfide, and ammonia. With nowhere to go, the gases build up pressure within the abdomen, inflating it. The pressure also forces liquid out of the body through places like the nose, ears, and mouth. As liquids seep into the surrounding soil, they enrich it with elements like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and calcium. During this stage, the body also emits a sickly sweet aroma that attracts insects like flesh flies. The flies lay their eggs on what's left of the remains, which will serve as food once the eggs hatch 24 hours later. The entire decomposition process can last anywhere from a couple of weeks to multiple months. It all depends on the temperature of your environment. The hotter it is, the faster your enzymes can go to work, digesting you from the inside out. In a place like San Francisco, for example, where temperatures are around 70 degrees, it would only take about 16 days.